So different filtration methods. For the experimental point of view, for the isolation of the viruses, the filtration methods are very important, because we already know that viruses are very small organisms. We are not able to see them with the naked eyes. Therefore, the filtration methods for isolation of the viruses to be used for different purposes are very important. So we can start from the Berkfield, Mendler and Pasteur-Chamberlain filters. First of all, we see the Berk filter, what is its procedures and how it will filter the smallest particles like viruses, and how we are able to filter it. What is the filtration method? It is manufactured in diatomaceous earth, graded into 3 porosities. These are graded into 3 porosities because one of them is finest, one will be the coarse porosity. The 3 porosities are types are the V, normal and W. V is for wheel grade, which will be the coarse ones, and then the N is for normal, which is just in between the both of them, and then W is for weighing grade. Wheel grade is the coarse one. Use of the preliminary filtration to remove bacteria or large particles from a solution, we will use the V grade porosity. Then the normal is the most useful, since it retains the most of bacteria, while all viruses will be passed through from the normal ones. However, the W1, the weighing grade, has very small pores, and that will retain all the bacteria and large viruses. So this is very important for the weighing, that if we need to use it for some specific kind of the virus which is very small, just like the picorna virus, we can use the last porosity. However, for the normal ones is very important, and it is used most famously because it will retain all the bacteria. It has the pores which are able to retain the bacteria and which will just pass through the viruses. So it is contains of the 3 different porosities, the V, normal and the W. Here you can see the filtration method, the Berk filter, and it's the schematic diagram of this filter. We can just have a look. Here the filter, we can use different kind of the pores. They can be the 3 pores, the V, normal and the W, and here the porosity, it will be retained, and the most of the things they will be just go through from this funnel. Then the Mendler filter. This is again the same, made up of the and similar to the Berkfield filters. These are the 3 grades for the Mendler filters. They are the, of course, the you can see on the basis of the pores, they will be the 3: the regular one, preliminary one, and the fine one. Just we can see it here, the Mendler filter. The regular one will be just like the normal of the Berkfield filter. However, the fine, it has very smallest pores, just like here you can see the filter, Mendler filter. And then the Pasteur-Chamberlain filter. Pasteur-Chamberlain filter is different from both of the other filters because it is made up of the porcines, and it is also molded in the cannular form to make it more convenient for the isolation of the and collection of the different kind of the viruses in the candle form. We will see it in the next slide. It is graded into from L1 to L13, and L1 is coarse one and L13 is the finest one. Between them, L2, L3 and L4, they are all of them are in between from the L1 and L13. Here you can see its structure, the Pasteur-Chamberlain filter, just molded like the candle form.